Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to refund items on Roblox application. So first of all, of course, if you have Roblox player on your PC, that will be great. But if you don't have it, you'll need to go and download this from the browser. So just go and open the browser that you are using currently. Then type at the URL roblox.com and hit the enter button. From there, you'd like to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. You'll need just to provide them with your birthday and a username and of course a password. Then you'll be able to create an account. You can even verify your email to get a free item if you want. So once you actually do that, they will provide you with the link, download link. Just go and click on that. So when you actually download it, just or install it on your PC, you will need to run it. And of course, when you open it on your PC, they will ask you to log in again into your account. So once you did that, you'll find this as your home or as your main page on the Roblox. And of course, you may have here different games depending on what you played recently or what Roblox suggesting to you. So of course, if you want, as we said, to refund some items on Roblox, so purchasing items or buying items from Roblox avatar shop are not refundable in the moment. So of course, all Roblox as sorry at all as Roblox don't have any refund policy at the moment, but they may add it in the future. So maybe if you've seen this video, maybe in a year after that, or maybe 2 years, they may add this refund policy. So however, if you have bought or if you have purchased an item and that isn't either functioning properly or there is any issue, then you can contact the Roblox using it, of course, the contact form. So that's actually the only way if you want to refund your items. But if your item was working correctly, you'll not be able to refund it because that is not available. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.